There's T2 because I can't say numbers. So I wanted to show you a room tour. We're in Coronado Springs, Casita S4, room number 4247. You've got these bands, they're called magic bands, and they act as your room key and like your card if you wanted to. So open it up. We literally only just got in here, so you know, we need to set the temperature and things and excuse the bags. But there's the chair there, and you've got a coffee maker, which I won't be using very often because it's hotter than the sun in Orlando, but ice bucket with cups and things, lamp with kind of a chair because it's got a convention centre. Yeah, massive big TV, lots of drawers. Last time, there's me. Hello. Last time we had kind of a suite, so had a bath in it. But we got his and hers sinks there, which is great. A big mirror, obviously, you've just seen. Big wardrobe with lots of space and spare pillows and things. And then look at the size of this walk-in shower. Door opens. You got the Disney toiletries there, and then look at that. Fantastic. And then the kind of main centerpiece of the room is the king size bed. Now we've got a king size bed at home, but it's not as big as this. This is a super king, I think. You've got lamps either side, you've got chargers in the lamps. It's keep your space under there for under your, you know, for your suitcase and things. So yeah, a beautiful room. And this is where we are for the next 16 days.